Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back again to the Backpacktrader Crude Oil Inventory Report session for Wednesday, June 28th, 2023. Please note the required risk disclosure. This room is for educational and information purposes only. It is not to be considered individual financial advice. Trading of this type carries substantial risks and should only be attempted with funds that you can afford to do without. All right. So let's get to it and see where we are. In a long trade on unleaded, right at the entry, we definitely want to get new trades on these. And interesting. We just picked up a new long on the 377 that triggered, so hopefully we'll get some new trades for all of these. We're also in a short on the spotlight chart. So welcome back, Aaron. Welcome back, Miles. Good morning, Trader Man. Interesting morning, and we're in existing trades already on all three charts. And given the nature of the report, we really don't want to do get in syncs. We don't really want to get reaction trades. We want to get trades after the initial that come set up after the initial reactions. We'll watch to see. And there's the. All right, that was this. Report coming out. Bunch of bars there. So there's our low limit for the moment. That short setup stopping out, and we're pushing our reaction zone higher. That would be a get in sync trade. The short on unleaded, if we get to 32, 1032, and that's still a valid trade. This short that's a reaction trade. I really want something else other than that. We do have a long that's now gone too far, so long and the short are off the table. All right, long trade. Not quite. Another 15 seconds or so. This is definitely a get in sync. And we're in our session now. And there is our first trade of the morning. And that's all there is to it. And that's a stop and reverse. Mark it out. Stop and reverse at 07. And we got get into that one. Looks like we just triggered a long on the 377. And we picked up a short that got us targets 1 and 2, so that's going to be one and done on unleaded. Long trade that I missed. That popped through. Yeah, that popped through way too fast. In fact, yeah, that went right on through. That's going to be a full stop on our short, and too fast to trade the long. Got 9 seconds to this bar, so, and it already hit money management, so definitely too fast. Mark it out of the short, but we wouldn't have had time to even mark it out of the short most likely before it hit the stop. A target 2 and almost a target 2 trailer on unleaded. That's our big winner so far this morning. Target 2 and a nice trailer on the long trade on the 377. That is going to be a one and done POQ as well. So we can ignore the rest of that. Getting really active. We have a trade number 3 is a short. Hits money management. Was it? Yeah, 38 to 54. Yeah, 16 seconds. So looks like we get target 1 and a break even 1 tick. That's going to be a losing session with 3 trades. I treat it just like the mini sessions. And that, that quickly, we're all done. Mark, it's just different examples of what some of the possibilities to trade. The primary market I trade is going to be the crude spotlight chart. But as examples, we use the spotlight chart, the 8 tick momentum, 8 cent momentum bar, 8 tick range bar. The spotlight unleaded, for those that not quite as heavily, not quite capitalized enough for crude, is another alternative with the 20 tick range. Also on spotlight, 0.002 momentum. And then chart that we traded for years and years and years for the crude oil inventory report, 377 tick counterpunch. Just different examples, counterpunch, spotlight, a couple of different markets being crude and unleaded. So it's alternatives. It's not a matter of you trade all three. You just trade one, pick one, and trade that one. But yeah, it's just a matter of examples for people in different situations. People that have counterpunch, maybe looking at 377 tick. You can also look at the 8 tick or 8 cent momentum bar, 8 tick range bar on counterpunch. That's a good chart there as well. Just different ways to trade. Everybody is not the same. Not everybody fits into the same mold. And there's two different symbols showing. We've got the same symbol we've got on spotlight and counterpunch, but we've got on spotlight, we've got crude on the right hand side, and then we've got unleaded gas, wholesale unleaded gasoline on the upper left. But all three actually crude chart was actually our problem child this morning, crude on spotlight. And the other two were both one and done. Any other questions? That was a fast session. So a losing session in basically 6.5 minutes on crude, unleaded. Under 4 minutes, actually under 2 minutes to the one and done. And our long trade here just over 2 minutes to its power of quitting. So quick session this morning, under 10 minutes for all three charts. Actually under 10 minutes total, I think, just about 2, 2, and 6.5. So a rapid, quick morning. Any questions or other discussion? And of course we have a big audience this morning. And quick action getting us done. Unfortunately, we have a nice uptrend, but it's a noisy one, and we were getting back and forth trades, so we got kind of chopped up along that rise. We started off with a long, but then stopped to reverse to short, and then closed out of that one, missing this trade that was too fast to deal with. Actually, not even having a chance to close out. That one was a full stop. And picking up another short that gave us a target one and a small trailer. And it looks like this long actually would have been the nice one to get in. We may get to target 2 with that, but that's the way it goes. All right, everybody have a good one, and we will see you again 6:30. Yeah, no, I'm not going to be up at 6:30. 9:30 tomorrow morning for our regular Thursday session. So everyone have a good afternoon, and we will see you tomorrow morning.